So in this video I'm going to replace the oil pressure sender in a Ford 6.0 liter diesel. Mine is showing zero oil pressure, which can't be right because the it won't run if it doesn't have any oil pressure. So it's probably the sender, and I'll see if that solves the problem or not. But anyways, here's how to do it. The sender that was in the car took a 27mm deep socket. The replacement had a 24mm deep socket, and then I needed like a 11mm to remove the boot from the intake off the turbo, and then 8mm to remove that little, remove the bolt that held in that oil line for the turbo. So fairly straightforward, not super convenient, but not very hard either. Maybe 15-20 minute job when you have all the tools out. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. So here we go. Okay, so to see the oil pressure sender, now here's a light. It's really handy to have. I got it at Harbor Freight and I have a review on if you want to check that out. It's only like 25 bucks, but it's super handy. You get up into the engine. Here's the oil filter housing. So right there you can see there's the oil pressure sender. I've already removed the harness. I used just a screwdriver to get in from underneath, pushed down the clip, and was able to just pop it right off. But there's just no way that I can get the socket in there. It's like going to be like a 24mm socket, and I just can't get it in between here. So I'm going to move this, and I might end up taking this line out as well. Pro tip: if it's cold out and you have an engine block heater, plug it in. It'll warm up the engine for you nicely, and it's not so bad to work on. So that's what I'm going to do now. Is I'm going to move this and then see if that'll give me enough space to get that oil pressure sender out. So I disconnected this. It didn't disconnect the line. It just gave me enough to wiggle it, so I was able to sneak the socket in and remove the sender, which is out right now. And so now I'll put the new one in. It has an O-ring on it, so make sure to oil the O-ring before you reinstall, and then you put everything else back. It should be pretty easy. So that's pretty much it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to check out some other videos, I'd appreciate it, and subscribe and help support the channel. Thank you.